Greetings. I, Priyanka Khamre, am pursuing the Human Resources from Narsi Munji Institute of Management and Studies, Bangalore. In the recent disruptive times, HR has seen an elevation from being an administrative role to a more focused strategic role, and this has encouraged me to pursue my masters with HR as my majors. The course structure here majorly focuses on the case method as its chief pedagogical tool to bring to the classroom the real-world business scenarios that provide the compelling opportunities amidst the challenging settings. The emphasis here is on a practical knowledge and the personalized learning. The structure is planned in such a way that the courses provided here ranges from the short-term to the long-term applications of the HR concepts in the industry. For instance, in the first year, I studied organizational behavior and human resource management, which gave an insight as to what the human resource is all about, understand the business requirements of an organization and industry as well. The course covers various sectoral needs and the capabilities required for the same with the electives like HRM in the service sector. Specialized subjects like strategic HRM, organizational development helps the organizations to effectively plan and deal with the self-renewal, culture building, work towards the business goals. That means in an industry, these decisions are taken by the senior level management. But as a part of the Narsi Munji Bangalore, I am able to get the exposure at quite early in my career days. The legal framework and the social security legislation is another interesting domain for the HRs to explore, and Narsi Munji Bangalore is among the few colleges which provide these courses. As a beginner, I had a little to no knowledge about the legalities which HRs come across. But today, I am aware about the latest labor code trends and the provisions which are necessary for an HR. In-depth HR functions are taught with the courses like learning and development, selection and recruitment, compensation benefits, performance management, HR analytics, and many more like these. I am now aware with the various HR competency model, the need of the reskilling and the upskilling, and how it aligns with the certain business needs which help in building the organization's capabilities thanks to the wide approaches and the wide variety of electives provided here. Organizational behavior along with the talent acquisition aspect of the HRM helped me a lot in my summer internship as a recruitment analyst. The class learnings provided me with the necessary skills like the leadership, ethics, understanding the organizational goals, which proved to be an added advantage personally and professionally at the career level. The professors here believe in interactive learning, open discussions, case study-based learning approaches followed as well. We are up to date with the latest HR trends with the help of our professors and are encouraged to write the research papers and publish the articles. I thank Narsi Munji Institute, Bangalore for the professors, the courses that are aligned with the latest industry trends, and the environment they have created for a holistic development. All these helps an HR aspirant like me to explore the domain in depth and make me industry ready. Thank you.